The port of Algeciras, a natural bridge between Europe and Africa, separated by only 14 kilometers, has become a maritime benchmark thanks to its exceptional geostrategic location on the Strait of Gibraltar, with more than 110,000 ships sailing through annually. Our port is the leader of the Spanish port system in total throughput, with over 107 million tons and 4.8 million TEUs handled annually. It ranks among the number 1 in the Mediterranean and the top 4 European ports in total throughput. Traffic between Spain and North Africa represents 6 million passengers annually. At present, the port of Algeciras is committed to becoming the largest distribution platform for cargo coming from Asia and America heading to South Europe and West and North Africa. The port of Algeciras serves 28 container lines and the largest world container alliances. All these shipping lines offer 146 commercial services worldwide, resulting in a maritime connectivity with 198 ports all over the world. To meet the needs of all these container shipping lines, the port of Algeciras has 2 container terminals. APMT Algeciras has a surface area of 67 hectares and more than 2.2 kilometers of quay line located in Juan Carlos Quay. APMT Algeciras is one of the most efficient terminals in Europe and currently able to attend the largest generation of 20,000 TEU capacity container ships. Isla Verde Exterior is the most important achievement in our history. This port infrastructure has provided 125 new hectares of surface area, over 2,500 linear meters of quay line and detached breakwater, with a total length of more than 2 kilometers. Total Terminal International Algeciras has been operating on this port development as a common user terminal since May 2010. It is the first semi-automatic container terminal in South Europe. TTI Algeciras is capable of meeting the operational demands of the latest generation of container ships with its 8 superpost Panamax ship-to-shore cranes. On the leading edge of technology, Algeciras Bay Port is implementing the port collaborative decision-making concept by means of its Pit Stop Port Operations project. This project, based on the integration of Port Authority management systems, terminal operation systems, shipping line systems, etc., improves transparency and coordination between stakeholders and enables the data acquisition and analysis of port operations. This platform allows a quick and efficient decision-making, contributing to reduce the cargo transit cost through the port and idle times. Algeciras Port and its port community, made up of more than 130 companies, are ready to meet your business demands 24/7, 7 days a week. Bunkering. One of the reasons for which our customers decide to anchor their vessels at the Bay of Algeciras is bunker supply. During 2018, the port of Algeciras Bay was one of the major bunker ports in the Mediterranean Sea, thanks to 1,300 hectares of anchoraging, exceptionally sheltered waters, and the expertise of our current bunker suppliers, competitive prices, and the quality of products. We offer up to 14 different types of products, including low sulfur, RMK 500, RMK 700, and the latest, the ultra-low fuel oil, 0.1%. Refueling is undertaken alongside, with a discount of 75% on the vessel rate for stays of up to 48 hours, and a total exemption of the vessel rate during the first 72 hours at anchorage. There are 14 double-hulled barges under operation, and with a capacity to supply 7,000 metric tons of bunkers. Ship repairs. We are the most recognized ship repair center in Spain, specialized in engine conversions and general maintenance, underwater surveys and repairs, hull cleaning, propeller polishing, specialized underwater diving services, and inspections are undertaken by companies approved by the main classification societies and by Algeciras port authorities. You will get the best conditions for repairing at anchorage, at berth, or at the existing dry dock in Algeciras Cernaval. Repairs can be authorized by the Marine Administration 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, with any emergency being able to be solved at any time, day or night. Supplies. The transport of supplies must be efficient, agile, and economical, and that's why we place at the disposal of our clients up to 16 barges of various capacities that can handle up to 40 tons of general cargo per barge. Our port community offers a large range of services like fresh and frozen products, deck, engine, cabin, bonded stores, fresh water or lube oils available 24 hours a day. We take great care to ensure that everything is ready before the vessel arrives. We will also coordinate the supplies in the launch itself, avoiding extra costs of the launch, mobile cranes or customs. We guarantee on-time delivery on board. Marpol Waste Collections. Algeciras is perfectly equipped to deal with waste oil removal and disposal, oil sludge or garbage, and all kinds of slops at our Marpol treatment plants. We collect solid and liquid residues. Marpol Annex 1, Category A and B, Annex 2, Category X, Y and Z, Annex 4, Annex 5 and Annex 6. Everything is carried out by barge while the vessels are at anchorage or X-truck when they are at berth. In both cases, the corresponding Marpol certificate is provided and all is done in a smooth, safe and correct legal way. Freight forwarding and logistics. The wide range of logistics services currently available at the Port of Algeciras is complemented by the Bay of Algeciras logistics area. The 350-hectare logistics area is located close to the port facilities and is directly connected to the Spanish transport network. The port and the logistics area together contribute to meet our shippers' operational requirements by minimizing transit times and reducing associated costs. In order to help the efficiency of global logistics, the Bay of Algeciras logistics area, in conjunction with the Zona Franca of Cadiz, counts on a bonded area and offers attractive financial incentives for companies willing to set up new logistics businesses in the region. We must highlight the evolution of container import and export traffic with our hinterland, which has increased more than 160% over the last decade. The Port of Algeciras has been included in the new Trans-European Transport Network, TENT, by the European Union. In fact, we are the southern head of 2 out of the 9 core network corridors, the Atlantic and the Mediterranean. With 30 gates, our border inspection point is one of the biggest and leading BIPs for perishable traffic in Europe, being the only 24/7 BIP available in Spain. It allows us to prepare to meet the future demands of the traffic coming from Asia, Africa, and South America. A wide range of top multinational companies trust our port capability. More than 100 years bear witness to the history of the Port of Algeciras, gateway between the Atlantic and the Mediterranean, and a sea bridge linking 2 continents, Europe and Africa. The Port of Algeciras Bay, building the future.